Everybody always talking about how ChatGPT can write documents, write anything you needed to write for you. Can you write me a sample resume? I have done IT and project manager, and the ChatGPT go ahead and writes the resume out for you. But did you know that ChatGPT can also create an image for you? Let me show you how we can create an image in less than 10 seconds. Watch this. Create a cartoon illustration of an AI robot holding a brain as if he is thinking. That's all we type. And here we go. This is what ChatGPT decided to create in less than 10 seconds. And there we have it. This is how you create an image in ChatGPT in less than 10 seconds. Get ready for day 3 of the AI challenge.